In ONE night, two football superpowers were eliminated from the World Cup. Germany, Netherlands. Both gone. Both on penalties. Germany were held by Paraguay, a team most fans have never even heard of. They even had a goal disallowed in extra time. Then in the shootout, Germany missed 3 penalties. 3. Paraguay are through to the round of 16. Germany are going home. But it doesn't stop there. The Netherlands, who looked unstoppable in the group stage, got dragged to extra time by Morocco after a 91st minute equalizer. Then they lost on penalties too. Morocco, the Afghan champions, held their nerve when it mattered most. Two of Europe's biggest football nations knocked out on the same night. Brazil barely survived too. Gabriel Martinelli scored a 95th minute winner just to stay alive against Japan. This World Cup is becoming the most chaotic tournament in years. So tell me, is this the biggest shock night in World Cup history? Drop your reaction below.